Good afternoon. This is Kathy, and this is the lunch update for Tuesday the 24th. All right, let's look at the volume profile chart first. This was an attempt to seek new value to the upside, and prices returned back to the previous two session areas of interest. So 1953 is the magnet, and this is where prices come back to. Now it becomes important. We have this is like a trending type profile. It's also like a triple distribution. So there's 3 points of interest. Currently the VPOC is at 58.75, and so first we want to see if price is going to chop around and fill in this imbalance between 1955.75 and 1952, and then if it pushes up, fill in the imbalance from 1955.75 to 58.75. Now the longer it holds down here around the 1952, the higher the probability of this VPOC shifting down here. We still have important levels. The IB low is a very important support test, and our current high is going to be an important resistance test, but that IB high took forever, it seems, to break down. If price pushes back above 55.75, that's going to be the next initial resistance test. Okay, harmonically speaking, that bullish Gartley retraced 100% and reached it by a tick. So it's invalidated that particular harmonic pattern downside continuation, but it could be setting up for something else. Still, we have an embarrassing retracement of that bearish Garfly, right? And the second test failed to hold above the PRZ 1959.75. So currently, price is attempting to go into retracement mode again, especially since it held below that 56.25. But this golden ratio zone is where price is currently. Potential chop within that region. Need to see if it's going to be able to hold above 55 or below 52. Also, that bearish cross was invalidated, and it's attempting to validate this new bullish cross, right? We're really in a sideways rotation, but watch for the golden ratio zones to break and hold first. In Q, initial test of this bearish crab PRZ had a shallow retracement to come back and validate this bullish cross, and so far it's validated. So 3820.5 is the golden ratio zone. If it can hold back above there, it implies a retest of the PRZ, and ideally want to see it test all levels inside the PRZ, with the extreme being at 3836.25. A hold above there has a BC extension extreme zone, 3851.25 to 3867.25. So first things first, let's see how price behaves at the 20.5, and also whether it can hold above or below that 3814.50. CL can't quite make it to the bearish bat PRZ. Now, bigger picture is price has been in retracement mode of this bearish Garfly, and it's retraced about 88.6%. So that's a very nice retracement, and we could just be forming a new AB equals CD. So failure to get up to that little green bearish bat PRZ is making a statement of weakness and implies a retest of 105.25, and a breakdown there has ABCD targets, the next one being 104.27. Now, first things first though, let's see how price behaves at this golden ratio zone, 105.95. As long as that holds, it keeps that bearish bat PRZ in play at the 106 area, 106.6 area. All right, that's it for me. Thanks.